Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you things you can do in Google Slides. Well, there's so many things you can do in Google Slides because they give you lots of options you would like to do and try. Well, let's start with the first one, which is a background. You can put any background you want, you can choose a color or image, and you can even create your own costume, which is gradient or solid. Now I'm going to put a blue one. We'll see what we can do. Oh, sign is a nice one. Maybe we can create a custom. Oh, if you don't know how to use this, the easy one is totally the gradient. You can use it for so many things which is super easy. I'm going to put this one, which I chose, because it's better that way. I'm going to add one, make this white. But this one will be another cyan, so in the middle, it could be white. You could make it linear or radial. But I'm choosing linear because it makes it a nice shade. First thing first, I'm just going to take it up from here so it looks more snowy or something. When you're done with your gradient, you can put your angle or you can make colors you like or rotate with the shape. For me, I put the check mark on. Now we can press OK and we got our background, which is pretty nice blue with some white things on top. Second thing is inserting shapes. We all know we can insert shapes from the circle and the square icon mixed together. When you press that, they'll give you all kinds of shapes you would need, arrows, colors, and equations. But now I'm going to insert just a sun, which is going to be pretty cool. You can also fill in your shape in different colors. I'm going to put yellow because that's the color of the sun. We could also resize it from here to make it bigger, or you can even make it smaller. But now I'm going to put it right here, which will make it pretty cool up here. Now I'm going to insert a shape again. But what if it has a background? All shapes don't have a background, only images. And that's an easy way to totally get some pictures and images from Google. You just press the image one and search the web. Or they will even give you options to upload from your computer easily. Any photo you want from your computer, you can just upload it and paste it on your slide. But now I'm just going to do search the web because that's what I do so I can find a cloud. So I'm going to search a cloud. But if you just want a real cloud, you could just put cloud. But if you want to find a cartoon one, you can say clip art or even cartoon. Now we got lots of options of clouds that are rainy, smiley face, and a sun behind it. Well, I already have a sun, so I'm just going to get this cloud that doesn't have anything. When you find the image you like, I'm going to insert two actually. You can insert more than you like. Then, when you're done, just press the insert button to bring your stuff that you ordered. Oh no! One of the clouds has a white background. So, any white background doesn't go clear, so we're totally going to delete it. Well, this one has no background and it's pretty easy to see. So, I'm going to put this cloud because it's more like a fluffy cloud. You could also edit or present. So now you can do whatever you like. Now you know how to do things on Google Slides. I'm so happy you've learned how to put a background or insert pictures. Thank you very much. Bye. I hope you have a wonderful time. Bye.